Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to reset an oil life reminder in your Alfa Romeo vehicle. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the accelerator completely to the floor and put your key in, turn it to the on position. You're going to press and hold the brake for 1 second and then release it for 1 second. And you're going to do this 6 times. So that's my 6th time. So I'm gonna let off and release the accelerator, turn off the ignition, and now when you start the car up, your oil life reminder will be reset. Fixed. Simple. Done. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you need any more tips. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.